Hey guys, sorry about the long delay without updates. It's been a crazy summer and just doing family stuff and work stuff and all that, so figured it was time to kind of give everybody an update on what's going on, and I know you guys have been asking for videos, so I'm sorry about that. I did get the car dynoed. We'll go over that real quick. Just on a base map from Honda that I pulled off from their vault. We did 217 horsepower and 180 foot-pounds of torque, and that was with the base map. So this is an 07 TSX motor. It's got the 50-degree VTC gear installed. It's got a custom header. I can show you guys a picture of that. And then just a random intake with a dirty K&N filter. So nothing too crazy there, but overall super happy with the numbers. Excited to finally get it tuned. What else do I have on my list here? Also, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has been either bugging me to post a new video or saying thanks for posting what I did or just reaching out for help. I can't even name everybody, so if we've talked and you've helped me out, you know who you are, but thank you. We've also swapped 2 more fits since that first video. A couple of buddies from Chicago area, they both did the K20 Z3 motor in theirs, and we actually took them out to the track to Western Michigan Honda Meet. I think it was last weekend, and they were a blast though. Like, this is super fun on track. But yeah, wanted to get up you guys there, and then we're gonna do more than one video today because I know you guys have been asking about wiring a ton, and so hopefully the next video that we're gonna record after this will kind of answer some of those questions. So we'll cut this one short.